Okay, hi, it's Miss Osborne with your last long division strategy and your third problem. So we're working on 6,708 divided by 78, and I'm going to be using expanded notation. This is my most uncomfortable strategy, so bear with me. I might make some mistakes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write the problem up. This is expanded notation. My problem is, one thing with expanded notation, you need to make sure you have a lot of space in the quotient area. So the top part of your problem. Okay, 78, 6,708. Okay, so I want to start here by thinking just like I started the other problems. I'm going to look, does 78 go into 6? No, it doesn't. Does 78 go into 67? No, it doesn't. Does 78 go into 670? Yes, it does. That number is big enough. So I'm going to think, I always start with 10 because 78 times 10, I know that's going to be 780. That's too much, just a little bit too much. So I'm going to go 78 times 8. 78 times 8, just to see. 8 times 8 is 64. So have my 4, carry the 6. 7 times 8, sorry, my phone keeps ringing over here. 7 times 8, just turned off, is 56, plus 6 more, so 56, plus my 6 that I carried, 62. Okay, that's pretty close to 670. What I like about this strategy is you can really adjust the numbers as you go. So this is, I'm going to put my 8 up here and have my 0 because I'm in this place value. So 80 times 78 is 6,240. Now, you're going to start building the numbers, the quotients up in order to add them rather than go across. You'll see what I mean by that. So 8 minus 0 is 8. 0 minus 4, can't do that, so I got to make that a 10 and borrow for my 7, make that a 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. So now 78 into 468. So I know that 78 times 8 is 624. That's much too high. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to try 5. 78 times 5. I'm going to see what that gives me. 78 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Carry my 4. 7 times 5 is 35. And add 4 more. That's 39. So that's 390. So I can go ahead with expanded notation and add that 5 up here because I'm using all the digits. I'm adding the 5 up above the 80. So 5 times 78 is 390. So then I can go ahead and start to do my subtraction. 8 minus 0 is 8. Can't do 6 from 9, so I'm borrowing 16. Make this a 3. 16 minus 9 is 7. Wow, magic number. 78 goes into 78 one time. So then 1 times 78 is 78. 78 minus 78 is 0, so I have no reminders. So now I know you're thinking, especially if you're a parent watching, this looks really weird up here. What you can do is now they're in place value order, you can go ahead and add all these. So I know I've got 80 in the, or an 8 in the tens place for 80, and then I add 5 and 1 for 6. So your answer is 86. Okay. Wow, that's surely my most uncomfortable method, but a lot of kids like it, so I'm going to zoom in on it for you. Okay. Expanded notation. Here we go. And again, this was the third problem on the homework. Okay. Okay. Have a nice night. Hope you come to STEM Possible.